If you're tired of waiting months to see a return on your farming, this video is exactly what you need. I'm about to show you 8 crops that you can harvest in 60 days or less, some in as little as 3 weeks. These aren't theoretical. Real farmers are using them right now to generate steady income and multiple harvests per year. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which crops fit your climate and budget. Let's go.
On this channel, we focus on practical farming that actually works. If you're running a small or medium farm, you know the pressure. You need fast cash flow. You need reliable crops. Today, we are breaking down the fastest growing crops that deliver in under 2 months. By the end, you'll have a simple action plan you can start this week.
Why fast-growing crops matter? Most farmers face the same challenge: limited land, limited water, limited capital. Waiting 4 to 5 months for one crop is risky. More pest pressure, more disease risk, and more labor. Fast-growing crops fix this. In 1 year, you can harvest 2 or even 3 full crops from the same plot. That's succession planting. Sowing a new batch every 2 weeks so something is always ready. These crops aren't glamorous, but hidden profit rarely is. Radishes, leafy greens, herbs, all of them often outperform slower crops in yield per day. And restaurants love suppliers who deliver fresh produce consistently. That means steady weekly income for you.
Number 1. Radishes, 20 to 30 days. Radishes are the speed champions. Some varieties hit maturity in 20 days. Cherry Belle is of standard 25 days. Direct seed into loose soil, spaced 1 inch apart, thin to 2 inches once they sprout. Don't crowd them or you'll get mostly leaves. Market reality: radish bunches sell for $2 to $3 at farmers markets. Plant every 2 weeks and you've always got something ready.
Number 2. Leafy greens, lettuce, arugula, spinach. 25 to 45 days. These are the backbone of quick returns. Arugula, 25 to 35 days. Direct seed densely. Start harvesting at 20 days by cutting outer leaves. 1 seeding gives 2 to 3 harvests. Loose leaf lettuce, 30 to 45 days. Plant at 6-inch spacing. Cut outer leaves as they reach 4 to 6 inches. Plant keeps producing. Spinach, 30 to 40 days for baby leaf. Plant every 2 weeks for continuous supply. The technique that changes everything is succession planting. Plant a batch, wait 2 weeks, plant again. 2 weeks later, plant again. Every 2 weeks you've got fresh product while the previous crop still produces. Market reality: baby greens sell for $3 to $5 per pound at farmers markets. Organic salad mixes sell for $3 to $5 per package. Restaurants buy at $1.50 to $2.50 per pound. Small farms move $10,000 to $15,000 per season with succession planting.
Number 3. Beets and root crops, 40 to 60 days. Beets mature in 40 to 60 days. Detroit Dark Red takes 50 days. The bonus: you get 2 crops in 1. Harvest greens at 30 days, then leave roots another 3 weeks for full maturity. Plant at 3-inch spacing. 1 seeding gives you edible greens plus mature roots. Market reality: fresh beet bunches with greens sell for $2 to $3 per bunch.
Number 4. Turnips and Hakurei turnips, 38 to 50 days. Hakurei turnips mature in 38 to 40 days. Sweet, crisp, and popular at farmers markets and Asian markets. Plant at 4-inch spacing. Direct seed. Thin aggressively. Again, greens are edible at 30 days if you want an early harvest. Succession plant every 2 weeks. Hakurei turnips sell for $3 to $4 per bunch.
Number 5. Bok Choy, 30 to 50 days. 30 to 50 days depending on size. For baby bok choy, more trendy, harvest at 30 to 40 days. Popular at Asian markets and restaurants. Plant at 6 to 8-inch spacing for baby size. Succession plant every 2 to 3 weeks. Baby bok choy bundles sell for $3 to $5 per package.
Number 6. Green onions, 45 to 60 days. 45 to 50 days for bunching onions. Direct seed at 1-inch spacing, thin to 2 inches, or replant white root bases from store-bought onions. They regrow in 3 weeks. Once established, harvest continuously by cutting outer stems. Roots regenerate.
Number 7. Bush beans, 50 to 65 days. Bush beans are faster than pole beans. Most mature in 50 to 65 days. Provider and top crop are reliable. Don't plant until soil is consistently above 60 degrees. Plant 2 inches deep, 4 inches apart. Harvest every 2 to 3 days. Regular harvest keeps production high. Fresh snap beans sell for $3 to $5 per pound.
Number 8. Microgreens, 7 to 21 days from seed to harvest. Pea and sunflower shoots take 10 to 12 days. Arugula and radish microgreens, 7 to 10 days. You need shallow trays, potting mix, and a bright space. Scatter seeds densely. Keep moist. Harvest when first leaves appear. Market reality? Microgreens command premium prices, $4 to $8 per ounce. That's $40 to $128 per pound. No field space needed, no pests, no weather risk, low startup cost.
These crops are the opposite of gambling. They're predictable, proven, and fast enough that you learn and adjust within weeks, not months. If you're tired of watching resources sit idle, fast-growing crops are your answer. Steady cash flow, better land use, and you'll finally feel like the farm is working. Pick one crop this week. Get seeds, get soil, get started. Comment below and tell me what crop you're trying and what region you're in. Your experience helps other farmers. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more practical farming strategies, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.